welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing amazingly well today. I'm going to be doing a review today of the brand new Bodyblendz Pink Clay Mask with Australian pink clay. This is what the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging. I love the fact that it's kind of got that, you know, baby pink vibe that kind of blends into white. I just think it looks really clean and pure, and I just think it represents the brand but also the product really well. So without further ado, let's just get started.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold. And I think, don't you worry my friend, you've got time. But right now I think I need someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that.
What is it? You don't like it? He's coming off in a minute.
Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said we are.
So of course this is the Bodyblendz Clay Mask. It says this reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, redness and scars, hydrates, moisturises, purifies and firms up the skin, refines skin texture and minimises pores, naturally lightens and brightens dull skin, actively combats acne breakouts and helps to combat breakouts in oily and acne prone skin. So I am someone who has a combination skin, but my T-zone gets oily. I have recently had a bout of hormonal acne, as I'll link above my entire experience with that. So if a product can actually solve my issues, amazing. I had really dull skin, which you could see in the video when I first started out. It just looked a little bit grey. It needed rejuvenating, and I found that this product really did that. My skin felt hydrated and moisturised, so tick there, and it also felt tighter. Like my face just felt tighter after doing the mask, which I loved, and it still feels great right now. So yeah, overall fantastic product. Really couldn't recommend it more, and thank you Bodyblendz for sending it to me. This isn't a sponsored video, this is just them. They've gifted me a product and I don't actually have to review it, but I love Bodyblendz. Like, I swear by their coffee capsule face scrubs, which I actually need to buy more of, but it's just, they're amazing. I just love them. I hope you enjoyed this first impressions and review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.